Folks, welcome to this property. Beautiful 4-bedroom bungalow with manicured gardens and large detached outbuilding, nestled in the townland of Ballinagun between the West Clare villages of Cree and Co.Clare. We'll just proceed and around the site. Nice tarmacked driveway, lovely landscaping, and we have this lovely enclosed garden area here. As you can see, nicely enclosed private garden. Proceed again. Over along the front, in manicured gardens, lawn areas, block wall boundary, and you have this fine big detached workshop. Just take a quick look inside. You can see the size of it. There's a big double sliding door with rear access, so excellent potential here for a tradesman, so you might have a little business. And just to the front then you have raised garden area, again ideal for sowing some vegetables. So I'll just show you around the back. That's the back of the house. Again, all mature shrubbery, and then there is access. This all the garden area here will be included, and you will have a right of way to come in this road to the rear, in this gate, and into your workshop here. So we'll proceed now into the internal of the property. So we're going in the front door, nice PVC stained glass door, into the good white hallway with tile flooring, decorative rag cover, timber data rail, nice decorative coving and light fitting. In here to my left, you have a good size reception room, solid timber flooring, in a large window for excellent light, decorative blinds, curtains, marble surround fireplace. You would have an open flue behind the electric fire. So we will now proceed to the rest of the living space, straight up the hallway, and we're going into what is, here we are into the reception room. Doubles up as dining, solid timber flooring, again windows to the front and inside, giving excellent light. Centre piece of the room is this solid fuel stove. Note that stove is plumbed to the back boiler, so there's dual heating along with the aisle, and quality curtains and blinds on both sets of windows, and decorative coving, centre rose feature. This door here is just your hot press, and then the door behind me brings you into your kitchen. See tile flooring, half wall tiling, breakfast counter feature, all granite work surfaces, excellent storage space here on this side, and this is your built-in fridge freezer, all granite top, built-in ceramic hob, extractor fan, double oven, built-in microwave, sink unit, built-in dishwasher unit, now tile flooring. Now here behind me we have, again just behind this door, we have a small bit of built-in storage space, and then a small WC. Fully tiled ceiling to floor, full level WC and hand basin. Then to the rear, this acts as a utility, full glass surround, tile floor and access to the backyard. We'll now proceed down into the bedrooms and the bathroom. Again, just to the storage here, this press. The bathroom, fully tiled ceiling to floor, separate electric shower unit, corner bath unit, low level WC, and then hand basin here behind. This room at the moment is just currently being used as storage. It's your 4th bedroom with twin beds, bunk beds in it at the moment, but it's full for storage purposes. Proceed in here. Built-in wardrobes, timber flooring, decorative blinds and curtains, and 4-foot bed. Front of the house, 3rd bedroom, good size double, timber flooring, decorative blinds and curtains again, and built-in wardrobes and hand basin with fitted storage. In decorative coving throughout. And light fitting centre rows feature. Into the 4th bedroom. To the rear. Again, built-in wardrobes and built-in hand basin. And just looking out the back, fantastic countryside views. Coast is in that direction, approximately only 5 minutes away. So that's it, folks, the video of this beauty presented 4-bedroom detached bungalow with large outbuilding stroke workshop on manicured landscape gardens set between the villages of Cree and Co.Clare, yet only 10 minutes from coastline, less than 10 minutes from the village of Dumbeg, and a number of beaches at that location.